Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts! We're in the kitchen, and we're here to help you decide which herb mincer to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description below. Are you one of those people who have to add a sprinkle of herbs to every dish they make? Well, we can't blame you. However, using a knife may damage your hands when you chop herbs by hand. So many prefer using a low-cost kitchen tool to meet their mincing requirements. Herb mincers eliminate the need to use a knife to get finely chopped herb pieces. These multi-purpose tools can also be used to chop nuts or pieces of chocolate. If you're looking for one yourself, then you've come to the right channel. In this video, we have compiled a list of the best herb mincer available in the market today. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The herb mincers that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you are interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The herb mincer coming in at number 5 on our list is the KITCHENDAO Herb Mincer-Roller Cutter. This herb mincer is a 3-in-1 device which features a scraper attachment and can be used as a herb stripper and mincer. You can use this 3-in-1 tool to strip and de-stem fresh herbs like thyme and rosemary. The 4 sharp blades quickly mince the fresh herbs without bruising them, saving you a lot of time in the kitchen. Its scraper can be used to collect all of the herbs. Our team would like to highlight that this gadget will come in helpful if you're creating the garnish for a meat or fish dish, or if you're making a marinade. It has a palm-shaped form that fits well in the palm of your hand and easy to control when slicing. Even when your hands are wet, the smooth, comfortable grip cushions your hand while you slice. It is also dishwasher safe and can be easily disassembled for cleaning. The blades and outside case can be thoroughly cleaned by hand. You can also rinse the internal casing and even soak it if necessary. You won't have to worry about cutting yourself when reaching for it in the drawer or on a shelf because the blades retract for safe storage. For its size, it measures 4.8 by 3.15 by 2.76 inches and weighs 7 ounces. The KITCHENDAO Herb Mincer-Roller Cutter provides a practical, innovative, stylish, and high-quality option for everyday cooking. It highlights the attractiveness of a home with its stylish design. For this, it earns the number 5 spot on our list. The herb mincer coming in at number 4 on our list is the ZYLISS FastCut Herb Mincer. The ZYLISS FastCut Herb Mincer is designed to cut herbs quickly and easily with minimal effort and mess. It features sharp, high-grade stainless steel cutting blades that can rotate 90 degrees, which gives you a lot of options right at the palm of your hand. Its blades also allow you to slice herbs effortlessly and gently, allowing you to use your hands and grip in various ways. Our team would like to highlight that this herb mincer has a soft-touch ergonomic handle that ensures a secure grip at all times. It also has a blade cover that adds extra security and peace of mind when stored. However, we suggest removing it with utmost caution after each usage. Upon testing, we were impressed by how quickly the product sliced the herbs. It's also easy to use with its revolving handle and unlock feature. The top pulls off for easy cleaning, and it's safe to put in the top rack of the dishwasher. To clean, simply separate the lid and turn the top to the unlock position by pressing the button on the side. For its size, it measures 9.21 by 5.83 by 3.86 inches and weighs 7 ounces. The ZYLISS FastCut Herb Mincer offers excellence, focusing on functionality, durability, design, cleanliness, and safety. This eases the process of preparing fresh herbs for recipes and saves a significant amount of time during dinner preparation. It's also easy to clean and maintain and can be stored in a secure place with the cover on it. Considering the features that have been mentioned, we decided to place this product at number 4 on our list. The herb mincer coming in at number 3 on our list is the Checkered Chef Mezzaluna Chopper Mincing Knife. With Checkered Chef's Mezzaluna and cutting board set, home cooks worldwide are learning how simple chopping and mincing can be. With this new Mezzaluna chopper, you can simplify kitchen cutting duties by using a simple rocking action to chop or mince onions, vegetables, herbs, or even nuts and chocolate. Our team would like to highlight that the blades on the Checkered Chef Mezzaluna chopper is exceptionally sharp, making it ideal for tough nuts or delicate herbs. When combined with the custom-designed curved cutting board, which is molded to fit the knife's rocking motion, you will have a cutting and mincing system that is hard to beat. This chopper mincing knife has a protective cover for safer storage. You can keep your Mezzaluna blade safe by storing it in this specially designed sheath protective cover, which is also safer for your fingers while reaching out to the board and picking it up from the drawer or kitchen cabinet. It also has a comfortable grip handle that makes it more comfortable and easy to use with a one-handed rocking motion. Its chopping board is made of sustainable rubber wood and features a curved, deep cutting bowl to fit the blade's curve, making the rocking motion even smoother. Overall, we love the fact that the Checkered Chef Mezzaluna Chopper Mincing knife has a sharp blade and a handle that is easy to grip with arthritic hands. It also has a slightly textured plastic handle that allows for a secure grip. For this, it earns the number 3 spot on our list. The Herb Mincer coming in at number 2 on our list is the Kitchen Innovations Garlic Appeal Garlic Press. The Garlic Appeal tool from Kitchen Innovations make it easy to peel, chop, dice, or grate garlic without leaving an odor on your hands. Simply peel the garlic with the rolling silicone peeler, place it on the top of the tool, and press it into the storage container with one of the 2 interchangeable sharpened stainless steel blades. After that, slide out the clean garlic catcher and add it to your food without touching the garlic. To make a garlic paste, utilize the micro-grating surface on the bottom of the clear container. Our team would like to highlight that this garlic press has a removable grid that makes cleaning by hand or in the dishwasher a breeze. The metal part can be difficult to clean, but you can just soak it after use. You can also snap the additional blade into the bottom of the unit next to the silicone peeler for easy storage. The sharpened solid stainless steel cutting blades and BPA-free high-grade plastic parts are also included in the quality construction. For its size, it measures 3 by 3 by 2.8 inches and weighs 2.11 ounces. Overall, the Kitchen Innovations Garlic Appeal Garlic Press is impressive for having 2 attachments that mince and slice garlic, as well as small silicone peeler and a catching compartment. It's also compact with all of the parts enclosed in a lovely self-contained box, very simple to clean and reasonable priced. For this, we place this product at number 2 on our list. And finally, we come to the number 1 herb mixer on our list, the NexTrend Garlic Twister Multifunctional Kitchen Mincer. The NexTrend Garlic Twister Multifunctional Kitchen Mincer can mince all types of foods, from garlic to ginger, herbs, almonds, and more, with no dirty garlic presses, squashing garlic with rockers, or rolling garlic to peel. You can also use this to chop olives, shallots, peppers, chilies, nut, ginger, almonds, and more. Our team would like to highlight the amount you twist determines how fine your ingredients are, so don't forget to swivel at the end to pack the components into nicely formed triangles. This kitchen mincer also has a shape that makes removing the ingredients easier. It also includes beveled mincing teeth in both directions for better cutting efficiency. There is also a large compartment that can fit a great volume of garlic and other ingredients. To use this mincer, simply twist garlic and ginger together so you can make a fantastic spice base for stir frying. This kitchen mincer comes in 3 colors, namely clear, green, and purple, so you can choose one that will suit your taste. For its size, it measures 3.6 by 3.5 by 2.3 inches and weighs 3.2 ounces. Overall, we were really impressed by how the NexTrend Garlic Twister Multifunctional Kitchen Mincer works. It eliminates the need for many tools to handle a single ingredient. Its 3-sided grip that has been enlarged is ergonomic and provides better comfort and leverage. The cutting teeth are fine-tuned and the chamber may be enlarged, which aids in uniform cutting and ease of use. For all these, it is no doubt that it earns the top spot on our list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 herb mincers which got our team at In the Kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next herb mincer roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.